Now I have a picture of a lady here. As you can see, the picture, the face is more not that smooth, so you're going to smoothen the lady, and we're going to use the retouching tools in Movavi Photo Editor. So it's very simple. I'll just click this one here. I'll just come here, then I'll just come to skin smoothing here, then it will give me this something like a brush. Now I can decide the softness or the size of the brush. Let me put the brush a little bit bigger, then I'll just click and hold and start rubbing over the image. As you can see, it is really smoothening the image, as you can see there. So I'll just go on like that on the skin. I think you can see smoothening, just like that, just like that. It even removes some of the blemish, as you can see, and there. So that is it. Then I'll zoom out. Now you see the face is really smooth, but it's not looking that okay. So what am I going to do? I'm going to reduce the intensity so that it looks more humane, just like that. Maybe I put it at around 659, 66 there. Then the softness, either can increase the intensity or reduce the intensity. Let me just play around with that. So that's how to smoothen. Then I just apply. Then I think you see it's becoming a little bit smooth. Then you can easily remove the blemish, the spot here. You can easily remove it. It's very simple. Just come and click here. It will be gone. But now the problem, let me undo. You have to reduce the brush size and zoom to where exactly you want to remove. So I'll just click there. It will just remove those blemish, even here, even here. But now you see it's getting a problem. Let me reduce the intensity, and the brush softness, maybe increase the brush softness, as you can see there. So if I zoom out, I think you see the image is a little bit smoother, but not that smooth. So I'll just apply that one also. And that's how to smoothen an image in Movavi Photo Editor. Just playing around with it so that it looks more natural and it looks more awesome. See you in the next video.